game versus Canada. It should have been 3-0 up in the first 30 minutes. Fam. Should have been 3-0 up in the first half. Nothing when I get from Liam Bailey. 3 chances, miss them, completely miss them. Don't get me talking about the one kick over the keeper head and go wide. Let me talking about the left foot shot him get right next to the keeper kick it wide. How when him there the goal line, 6-yard box and keep on a fucking post. Liam Bailey needs to be wise up. Are you talking about your Alcaraz and your people, your Lakers, you know, your people, Jamaican superstar? Yo, listen me man, focus on your football. The Jamaican football, because that's what the fans are here for, fam. When it's about who you have a par with you, who you not par with you, you need to watch, you need to play a football, because people are here to watch you play football. Because I can guarantee you right now that if Demarai Gray was here in that previous game, he would have scored at least 2 or 3 of them goals. And Demarai Gray play up on the left hand side where you was, and that day I still couldn't score.